Hey everyone, if you want to use the HitFilm Express and don't know how to log in on it, then this tutorial is for you. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in the HitFilm Express. So let's dive right in. First of all, find the web browser that you use on your laptop or your PC, just like this. Now open it. After opening it, make sure you have added the HitFilm Express, just like this. Now, to log in, tap on to sign in just right here. And then, sign in with the account that you have used, just like which is Facebook, email or Google. Now tap onto one just like this. Now wait for a few seconds. And now you can see you have logged in the HitFilm Express. And that's it. This is how you can log in the HitFilm Express. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.